Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home and to another day of quarantine decorating here at Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because we're gonna make a very modern, very clean looking bouquet for our 5th day of floral design school here at Ramon at Home. I decided to do all these daily videos to show you guys techniques on how to put beautiful floral bouquets together while we are quarantined. We are gonna learn so much and then it all come in handy when we need these tips. All right, so for this particular bouquet, which is going to be a very modern and clean, I'm gonna call this the Khloe Kardashian bouquet because every time that I see Keeping Up with the Kardashians, I see their beautiful bouquets of flowers and they're usually these really pavé and really clean looking bouquets of flowers. So for the Khloe Kardashian bouquet, what we're going to need is 9 stems of this beautiful lilac. We're gonna need 5 stems of this gorgeous iris with a yellow tip. These are so realistic looking. We're gonna need 10 roses in fuchsia, and I adore this fuchsia right here. And then also we're gonna need about 5 of these ranunculus and 1 big peony that it also looks so realistic. This is so pretty. And for our container, we're gonna need this beautiful wide, very clean container, and we're gonna already have it foamed so we can poke. All right, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing I wanna do is I wanna show you this trick. I have this flower right here that is very short and I want it to be a little longer. So what I did is I grabbed one of these stakes that I've shown you guys so many times before. They come with a little wire. So what I like to do is I just join them together, and with the little wire that the stake comes in, I swirl them around. You can find these stakes at any of your local craft stores. So that way it gives you a longer stem of a flower and that way it can be inserted. All right, so the very first flower that I'm going to add is going to be these beautiful irises, and I'm gonna add 5 of them. So I'm gonna start with the tallest one first, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here in the middle. And I want it to be pavé style, so I want it to be closer to the rim of the mouth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna insert some and get as close as I can to the rim right here. And I'm gonna do a triangle because I always start with a triangle when it comes down to floral design. That way they are very tight right here. And so as you guys can see the triangle, so to make the pavé, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go put 1 on each side of the top one right here, like this, and just push down as far as I can without pushing all the way down. And that way we have our container really starting that pavé style, as you guys can see right here. All right, then the next flower I'm gonna add is gonna be these roses. And once again, I'm gonna start right here on the top, continuing with that shape. If you guys know a pavé style is that posy style, very tight, very contemporary. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna graduate one down right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hold it back, and I'm gonna put yet another one in here, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and come back up right here. Let me swirl it around. And then you put another one right here. So basically you wanna make them as tight as you can. And I love this color combination of fuchsia and purple and blue. It is so modern looking. I just absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a few to kinda fill in later. I always like to leave a few of the flowers till the end. So then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and add this really gorgeous peony that is in this peach color. And I'm gonna add it right here next to it. And this one needs to go all the way down, so continues that pavé style of floral arrangement. Then I'm gonna move forward and I'm gonna graduate to this guy right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and start back up here. This is the one that we put our pick. Once again, putting them all at the same height. Then I'm gonna go ahead and insert another one right next to it, like this. And as you get closer to the rim of the mouth, you can give the flower a little bend like this, so it continues that pavé, like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more to kind of closer right here. And then I'm gonna add one here to the top. So far, so good. Then I have this lilac that is gonna give us a lot of texture. At this point it's really tight, but what I wanna do is I wanna create a row of texture right here. So I'm gonna start from the very top in here. I'm gonna add it poking out. like that. I absolutely love lilac. It is one of my favorite flowers. Fresh in silk because it has so much movement, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna add the shortest ones first, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the iris back. This type of arrangement looks so pretty when it's done with fresh flowers. And it smells divine because of the roses and the lilac together. It's the best combination for fresh flowers. Thumbs up if you guys are enjoying this series, and I cannot wait. We only have 2 more videos on floral design, and I really hope you have learned a few tricks to put some floral arrangements together for your home. I'm gonna add one more right here. As you guys can see, it's very tight. I have 2 more, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna spin it my way, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that it's just really full and packed. You know, Khloe Kardashian does have a fascination for flowers. She spoke about it before on various shows, and I just love watching her house because she always has bouquets of fresh flowers, and that is just so pretty. All right, so then what you can do is you can adjust all these irises, pull them out a little bit like this so they show a little better. Like pull it out like this. Now with fresh flowers, and I do want to do a fresh flower tutorial, but with fresh flowers you cannot pull back out. Once you poke in, you cannot pull back out because it creates a hole on the foam, and that hole will create an air pocket, and it will not sustain the life of the flower. All right, so right here I have a gap, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in with this rose. I want it to be as tight as possible, and then right here also I feel like I need one right here to kind of marry these two together. I'm gonna push back far down as I can, like that. And just like that, we have a really modern looking bouquet of flowers. All right, everyone, well, that's all I have for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few tricks. If you did, leave me a comment down below and let me know what is the trick that you learned with this particular bouquet. And if you have not seen the blue and white pave style, or the lemon one, or even the really big and extravagant one, I'm gonna link them down all below so you can catch up with them. This has been so much fun so far. We have 2 more to go, and I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on. And I would really appreciate if you guys share this with a friend on Facebook. All right, well, that's all I have. Thank you so much. Consider subscribing, and you can watch more videos right now. Until next time, bye. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow.